Hi everyone, I'm Mel Kolstad. I'm an artist living here in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. I'm going to start off this video presentation that we have of all of the bird artists in our area. About 8 months ago, Laura Degolier asked me to do a bird show with my prints at Ubuntu Art Space, which is on the corner of Division and Mar. And I honestly thought that it would be a go, and then the pandemic hit. So we've gotten creative, and instead of having a gallery night with all the bird artists, we are going to present every artist and gallery with their own little video. I'm going to start because we're the ones doing the video. So as you can see, we're in our garage. I've set up a little gallery here, and here are my bird stamp prints. This is the second time I've done these prints. My goal for myself was 30. I managed to do 27 of them, which I'm still very proud of. Each print is a different country, and I thought they were all different birds, but I actually doubled up even though they're completely different stamps. So what I've done, and I thought it would be a good tie-in for World Migration Day, was to have the stamps be a wide representation of the different birds in our world right now. I don't have migratory patterns or anything like that. Maybe Laura can fill you in on that. But so these are all of the stamps. I just really love doing it, and I was happy to do it a second time. I did another show last year with 24. So here they are, and you can see below here is my website. If you're so inclined, I just updated my website, so they'll be all on there for you to peruse. I have a little story with each also. So thanks for watching, and keep watching because we're going to have more artists and gallerists right after me. Take care, everybody. Stay safe.
This collection of songbird carvings are hand carved out of wood. They are also hand painted. This style is considered a folk art style of carving and detailing. These are done by a father and son team, George and William Porter out of Woosaki, Wisconsin, up past Green Bay area. We have quite a selection of the various types of songbirds in the gallery and frame shop here. If you're interested in any of these, again, please reach out and contact us.
Hi, I'm Sarah Ninneman. I'm a local artist and photographer in the Fond du Lac area. I am born and raised in Fond du Lac, and I'm also a member of the Fond du Lac Art Association. I just wanted to show you a little bit around my studio and some of the bird art that I enjoy doing. I live in the country, so that is very inspirational to my work, and I enjoy nature tremendously. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you some of my work. So this is my studio. I have several different pieces here, large and small. But regarding the birds, I do have some smaller things in all different sizes. So I really enjoy birds. These are more acrylics. I do multimedia, various mediums, charcoal, color pencil, acrylics, oils, acrylic pours. I do all different sizes as well. Peacock is one of my favorite birds, just with the variety of colors. And also I really love crows or ravens. They're just very mysterious. So here's one of my favorites that I still have. And also, and here's a little robin. So I like to do a variety of different kinds of birds. So that is some of my work. And maybe I'll see you in the Fond du Lac area through various artist activities.
Welcome to the Fond du Lac Bird City World Migratory Virtual Bird Event at Ubuntu Art Space. We carry lots of art, including bird art from various artists, such as this abstract from Sue, an oil painting from artist Laura, and a piece created with both paper and paint from artist Edie. Patrick does ceramic bird houses. We have some collages here from Susan and bird nests from Nikki. Artist Sarah likes to do single birds. We have a few of hers here. And artist Laura has also done 5x7 oil paintings on cardstock. We also carry bird pendants that are made out of ceramics from artist Roxine. So hope you enjoyed our virtual visit here today. We hope to be open soon. In the meantime, if you see anything that you like, just email us at info@aroundthewildgoose.com. Thank you.
Hi, you art enthusiasts. This is one of my bird paintings. It's a mixed media acrylic. It's on wood. And as you can see, I've got a lot of really unique little things on this picture. Like some earrings and pieces of steel and old pieces of jewelry and flowers and some glitter and of course my flying gold bird. And here, this one is a picture of a bird on a ledge or piece of tree branch, and I've had a little bit of sparkly in there, and a little goldfinch, I believe that is. Yeah, so these are my bird pictures. What do you think? Signing off, Renee Waters.